Hello, my name is Darwin Roberts. I live in Grenada, Minnesota, and have been a farmer for most of my life. Part of my life was spent as a metallurgical engineer working for Honeywell. But once a farm kid, I guess always a farm kid. And proud to say that two of my farms, one has been in our family 8 generations, 158 years, 160, and this farm here that we're at is on my dad's side, and it is a century farm. I guess you're kind of wondering, why am I active in the kinds of programs and water quality measures that I'm involved with, is somewhat because my father was. We worked many years with the NRCS. I have a beautiful wildlife pond fed by an artesian well about a third of a mile from here. And also I was privileged to serve 12 years on our county soil and water directors board. So water quality should be everybody's concern, whether you're a city dweller, whether you are a farmer, whether you're simply a sportsman. We all have to do our fair share. And of course, yes, we in farming have to use nutrients of various types, and we certainly have to use chemicals of one nature or another. Even if you're organic, you're going to use manure. And so all these combined issues can well affect drainage and water quality.
Can you talk a little bit about some of the research projects that you've allowed the University of Minnesota to do on your farm, and how do you think that has benefited the community?
I've been honored to work with several different PhD students. One was just here 2 weeks ago, Dr. Lu Zhang. But in so doing, we collaborated, we utilized grant dollars when and where available, but through our combined efforts, we've done some amazing things here, and some of the research continues to go on. First of all, I have 2 bioreactors that have been installed partly through the efforts of the Department of Ag, Mark Dittrich, I'll give him credit. And then Joe come up with a concept of a saturated buffer with a char bioreactor trench in the very bottom. That's what you're seeing here is illustration of down below excavator where we installed one of the bioreactors. Here we're doing bank restoration on Elm Creek. We put in the saturated buffer. Probably one of the still ongoing projects is a wetland down here with 3 cells. Dr. Chris Linhart of the university designed that, and that is still being tested. Water quality samples are being taken weekly. He's published at least 2 books on the subject matter now. I think that's into its 6th or 7th year.